Hello, this is Mike Sherry and I welcome you to our free RV show. It's located right here at our dealership here in Piqua, Ohio. So if you're in the area between now and January 31st, which is the end date of our show, definitely stop by. We have over 400 RVs in stock, and these are the top selling RVs in all of America, from the #1 selling travel trailer, the Forest River Cherokee, to the best selling motorhomes, both Chateaus, Dynamax, and Forest River Georgetowns. We also have a great selection of pre-owned RVs, and if you're looking to upgrade, we'd love to have your trade. Right now is the best time to buy an RV. Manufacturers have thrown amazing incentives to get the price down on these RVs lower than I have seen in the past, to get you the very best deal on an RV right now during the RV show going on at Paul Sherry RVs. Also, financing is available generally for all types of credit, so give us a call or come in the store and we'll see how low of a payment we can get. We invite you to come out to the RV show going on now, and remember, it's free right here at Paul Sherry RVs.